the heat are full. And this has to cook. First of all, this is number one.
So we have 24 cups
20
of water,
water
2 onions, and a package of carrots.
of carrots.
Cut up.
Yeah. 3 times salt. I think this is enough.
So then I see.
And then you have to taste it when it's cooked. Ups is enough salt.
And 2 cups sugar.
1 cup.
One cup.
Yeah. Then you put it in 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup. You see?
1 cup sugar.
1 cup of sugar.
Okay.
And salt, maybe
1 cup of sugar.
maybe
How much
2.
salt?
And then you cover this. Salt,
Maybe 2 spoons.
2 spoons, no, maybe 3.
No. 2.
The grinded fish, like this here, what I'm doing is, you take 1 carrot, you see, 1 carrot, and you grind it in, like this. This is of the color, that the fish should have a little bit yellow color. This is why we put in a carrots. 2 onions, when you grind it in. But the fish store, when you buy this, when you're doing right now, you tell them they should take an onion and put in the grinder in. You don't have to do this. But we buy the fish always a day or 2, and I don't want it that in the fish should be onion. I'm doing this when I prepare everything, you know? So,
Izzy, the
now,
onion.
So there's 8 pounds of fish. Right?
yeah,
With the bones. 8 pounds.
4 pounds of white fish.
and 4 pounds of yellow pie.
Or the half.
And this will feed how many people?
Oh, a lot.
Right? This. Now we put in the sugar.
2/3.
So,
Wait, let me.
it's too much.
Yeah, leave it. I have a cup. Put in, I have a cup.
Yeah. In the meantime, push over there so I
So,
can put the
now, this has to be,
salt.
this has to be
Chopped.
chopped like this.
Salt.
You see? Here.
Salt already.
What?
You put salt already.
No,
No.
not here.
No?
So wait a minute, Izzy.
That's it.
I probably have to put in a little more.
You have to taste everything when you're doing.
If it's ready.
How are you going to taste raw fish?
You can taste what you're
Sure you
doing.
can taste. 6 eggs. Because sometimes could be a bad one, then you spoil everything. So you put in a little, each egg separate in. We take here crumbs.
Breadcrumbs?
Breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs.
Plain breadcrumbs.
Passover, if we make it with matzo meal, you know? So side.
Right.
So I will measure.
You see how this looks good now? You see? But of course, this is too soft. This is why you're putting the crumbs in. It's get stiffer.
Stiff.
Yeah. I have a cup.
That's enough, I think.
We're gonna see. We see.
This, I don't use too much.
Yeah, pepper.
Just a little bit.
Not a little bit, has to be a lot of pepper in.
You don't do that because I don't like it.
Now put it in, put it in.
Is it pepper? Yeah. I don't like the black pepper. That's it.
No, this is not enough. I'm sorry.
That's okay. I always did it without pepper. Over 50 years. And it was okay.
Oh, Uncle Ape is here. Come, help. This is not enough. Has to be at least one. No, this is not enough.
A cup.
A
no?
cup.
Yeah.
Another half a cup. No, it's a quarter of a cup.
So put in
A quarter of a cup. So
3/4.
3/4. No, a cup and a half.
No, you put a half cup before.
Oh yeah, then it's 3/4.
I think it's okay now.
No, it's not. A cup of scrums. Maybe it's enough, I don't know.
Is it? No.
No?
So what's this?
This is a quarter, put it in.
I don't know. Is it? Is it? Look.
Yeah, put it in.
So a whole cup.
Yeah, this is enough.
That's
So, that's it. This is very important. This has to be mixed together.
good.
Good together.
Hi.
Yeah. Bakery.
More salt.
So you have to mix the salt.
Yeah, a little bit sugar.
More sugar.
Yeah, a little bit. But taste it yourself.
Mix this with the salt and then I taste it.
Jenny, de kalpsting there.
Dus dit is corned beef.
Das ist fürs Kaprisket.
Like, it looks like corned.
And you put in the fish.
And then when the water boils, then you make like a
Hamburger.
hamburger. When you put it in.
Like a hamburger.
Very slow.
And how long do you cook it?
And slow fire at
Okay,
least
now-
2 hours.
I take a big spoon.
At least 2 hours. You're gonna see when mommy make.
First I take in one corner and put in this for a good taste, you know.
You just wet your hand so it doesn't stick. You wet.
So No, I try it. Oh, it has to be high. Has to cook the water if I put it in.
Should do it before.
It's cooked.
Okay.
And I put in, not together, always, you know.
Okay. Tell me again. Well,
Covered, they have to cook.
an hour and a half.
Yeah. Sometimes an hour and 20 minutes, sometimes.
And once they're cooked, what do? You separate them? Or what?
Wait, they have to get cold.
You take them out of the sauce, right?
No, not yet.
When they're cooked.
When,
Yeah.
no, not
it's cooled
if they're
off.
cold.
Hmm?
If they cools off, you know.
So you at an hour and a half, you turn off the flame and you just let it sit.
Let it sit.
Until
on
it
the-
cools.
Not on the heat.
Mm-hmm.
You take it off in the heat.
And then once it's cool, you take it out of the
Take
sauce.
it out at the sauce, and I take the
The sauce and put it in a separate thing.
separate.
But you take out all the onion and everything.
Nothing. I take
A strainer.
a strainer, you know, and a strain,
Uh-huh.
you know, and just the sauce I take it.
Right.
And carrots I take it just for to put in. It
Right.
should look nice. See, I don't put in here on this, but on this I can put in already.
Because it's cooked.
Yeah, it's
So it doesn't
almost,
stick together.
Yeah. If it's cooked, you make it a medium, you know, and has to be covered 1.5 hours.
Okay.